Which of the following statements are correct about hypo? Option A, it is used as an anti-chlor for removing excess chlorine in bleaching industry. It is correct. Na2S2O3 is used as an anti-chlor for removing excess chlorine in bleaching industry. We can see the reaction here. Cl2 plus H2O plus Na2S2O3 will give 2HCl plus Na2SO4 plus S. Na2S2O3 is used to remove the excess chlorine in bleaching industry. So it is considered as an anti-chlor. So option A is correct. And it can be used to remove iodine stains from the skin, because when hypo reacts with iodine, the stain will become colorless. So this is correct point, correct statement. When Na2S2O3 reacts with iodine stain, it will form Na2S4O6, will get colorless. Sodium Na2S4O6 is sodium tetrathionate, which is colorless. So that means hypo can be used to remove iodine stains from the skin. So it is correct statement. Next, option C, it is used in photography to remove undecomposed silver halide on photographic film. It is also correct statement. Hypo is used in photography to remove undecomposed silver halide on photographic film. This hypo dissolves AgBr from the photographic emulsion by complexation. It will form the complex with AgBr. You can see the reaction here. AgBr plus Na2S2O3 will form the complex Na3AgS2O3 twice plus NaBr. So this statement is correct. Hypo is used in photography to remove undecomposed silver. It dissolves unreacted silver bromide from the photographic emulsion by complexation. So option C is correct. And option D is hypo is prepared by Springs reaction. This is also correct. But what is Springs reaction? It is also correct. But what is Springs reaction? Springs reaction is hypo is prepared by adding requisite amount of iodine. Hypo is prepared by adding requisite amount of iodine to a mixture of Na2S and Na2SO3. Requisite amount of iodine is added to mixture of Na2S and Na2SO3. Will get hypo Na2S2O3. This reaction is called as Springs reaction. Springs reaction is hypo is prepared by adding requisite amount of iodine to a mixture of Na2S and Na2SO3. So here all the four statements are correct only.